Hi, my name is Mitch Katosin, representing Kuka Robotics. We're here at PACK EXPO, and we are discussing and demonstrating some of our new mobile platform technology. Our mobile platforms, the KMR and the KMP, Kuka Mobile Robot, Kuka Mobile Platform, both utilize a navigation system in order to carry through some of these complicated tasks without needing rail systems or any types of guidance systems except for the sensors that are currently on the robots, as well as a navigation solution that uses and utilizes SLAM, simultaneous localization and mapping, to carry forward some of its tasks. What's really cool about these mobile platforms is that they actually can communicate with each other as well as other types of robots while demonstrating different types of organizational tasks or demonstrating some geographical motions on the maps that we create in real time. So you can set up an entire system with multiple robots on it and carry forth different tasks based on where the location of these robots are, or even the tasks that need to be done, or what tasks are already being done, and which robots are free to carry forth new and different tasks. So the solution that we find that works really well is utilizing laser technology, 6 scanners, and use that information to map the entire area that our mobile platforms are working on and get feedback to localize our robots. And then we have these really cool KMRs which have a robot on top of them called the LBR EWA, which is a collaborative robot. The collaborative robot's really friendly and in regards to working alongside humans. We have gesture control and sensor feedback that makes it really a really well-rounded robot to use without gates or any safety systems. Most of the safety is already built in to the robot with different types of sensors it's using. So these robots all are built on a platform called Sunrise, which is a kind of open source platform that uses normal Java code and normal techniques with setting up an architecture for demonstrating what the robots need to do and which robots are doing what tasks. And the communication is all being done over Wi-Fi, using Ethernet protocols. We also are demonstrating bin picking with a 6 vision system, and this bin picking is done using object detection and collision detection, making sure that where the picks are in the bins won't interfere or interact with the robot's tooling, and if it will, then it calls the robot, the KMR, to come over and do a bin shake or a bin swap or different tasks like that in our demonstration. But again, this can be used in all different aspects of your specific application with different types of responses, and so yeah, come check us out.